Want to give your footage in cinematic deep clean look? Just using two underrated tools in DaVinci Resolve. Yes, today we are diving into the color slice and the color warper. One of the most powerful technique used to isolate, shift and control your specific hues. So let's make it the master the color slice and the color warper step by step. So let's master it step by step just using DaVinci Resolve. So let's go to it.
Like and subscribe.
Okay, so first you will know what is color warper and color slice. The color warper and color slice in DaVinci Resolve, it's actually allow you to the specific range of color tones, skies and clothing and manipulate them without affecting any kind of entire image or color. Okay, so first of all I wanna do the something color corrections. You will wait just 1 minute. So now I have to done the basic color corrections. Here you can see almost done, and now I will going to the color slice. This is the color slice sections. This is the red, this is the skin. If I wanted to dull our skin, then I will try to this skin section. If I wanted to change my yellow, darken and lowest, so then I yellow, and similar to green, similar to cyan, blue, magenta, etc. There are saturation depth. Here almost it's actually the depth, the depth of saturations, and this is the saturation balance, this is the saturations, and this is the depth then. Okay, so now if I wanted to there the specific red color to change to deep red, and here you can see everywhere red I want to change, then use these red sections. There are two options. First option is called the density. Density means the deep and lowest, and this is saturation. Saturations means the red to control the boost and blur. And so here you can see if I wanted to change this red, then then our density to up. Here you can see this is the change our red. Okay, this is the change our red. So if I change our saturation, so put up, so here you can see the red is changes to our deep saturation. Okay, this is a similar to if I boost our density, you can see the affect the red everywhere everything red to affect this specific color slice. And if you want to grade the advanced level, you almost use the qualifier. Okay, qualifier it's select to specific area and target to this area to change the specific color. Okay, now I will going to the color warper section. This is the, here you can see the color warper, hues saturations. There are so many options, but now I will use this particular section. So when I change this specific sari color, then I tap, and here you can see the red pointing the each of the color. So then I slide forward to, here you can see there are changes the deep pink color. They are changed the sari color as well as the change the lipstick color, and everywhere pink color having, and this is the change. Okay, so first of all you know, then I wanna change the more control the each of the saturations of our grade. Then I wanna click on this grade right here. There are default hues resolutions. There are select the 6 is means the select the horizontal and vertically 6. Then I select the 16. Okay, waiting for 1 minute. Then I select the 16. Here you can see the changes our point. Then convert to the 6 to 12. So now I will select the change the sari color, and then I will going to change the sari color. Then I will going to the window section is the more effective in our grade. So then select the polygon and select this sari section. Easily to select these sections where I want, and here waiting for 1 minute, and okay. Now if I changes this sari color, then I tap this sari color and change to convert the red color. Here you can see it is changed to no changed. Okay, here you can see after before. Okay, the changes is very accurately. So specifically the color slice and color warper to change the specific color tone and create your cinematic and everything you want to know, and we want to do your work in your perspective. And the color warper and the color slides, it's actually similar, but they are used differently. But if you want to create the cinematic clean look, then you use to color slice and color warper and boost your color grading, the 10 type of up. And now I will finish this video. If this video helpful, follow for more such content and like, share and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.